Welcome to Maths Notebook channel. Welcome to live session. Very important questions. Come join my channel, children, for Maths important questions. Class 10th Maths Polynomial chapter. First, we are going to know what are important formulas, and we will go to solve the important questions based on topic polynomials. Okay, children, come live. Please welcome to my Maths Notebook channel. I am waiting for you. Come live, children. Join this session for important questions. Repeatedly asked many questions. So you don't want to learn other questions. If you learn these questions from my video, so you can gain marks in board exams. Okay, children. Okay, very important questions I am going to solve in this video. Okay, let us start now. In last video I have uploaded important formulas and some important questions also I have solved in that video. So some more important questions. This is part 2. Okay, so I will finish in this video important questions. So enough for exam, children. You learn these questions, then you can score many marks from this chapter. Okay, important repeatedly asked questions. Okay, first of all, class 10th maths polynomials chapter. What are the formulas we are going to learn, we are going to use in these questions? Okay, now we know the important formulas that used in this chapter are, first of all, we know what is if x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then sum of zeros. What is sum of zeros? I have already explained in last videos. Again I am writing here to remember you. Sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. Here a is the quotient of x square, b is quotient of x, and c is constant. Okay, next, product of zeros. What is product of zeros? Is equal to c by a, children. Okay, these are basic formulas used in this chapter. Okay, some more important formulas are if alpha and beta are the roots or any zeros, then of the quadratic polynomial. If alpha beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, okay, then what is the formula we are going to use? X square minus alpha plus beta plus x plus alpha beta. If you are asked to find the quadratic polynomial, if alpha and beta are zeros are given, then we have to substitute in this formula, then we will get the quadratic polynomial equation. So that's all. This is very important formula. Okay, next another is if this one is used in graphs. Okay, p of x equal to x square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation, then polynomial, then if what a is greater than 0, okay, a is greater than 0, then we get the parabola as parabola opens upwards we will get the graph. Okay, if a is less than 0, what you will get? Then parabola is downwards. Okay, opens downwards. Okay, this is used in graphs only, children. Upwards means like this and downwards means like this. Okay, so these are important formulas used in this polynomial chapter. Okay, based on this only we will get the questions. So please remember these important formulas. Now I am going to solve important questions here. Here, if p and q are the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to 2x minus 7x plus 3, then find the value of p square plus q square. Okay, children, this is given here, and I have written already this question, so I am going to solve this very in easy steps. What we have given, p and q are two roots or zeros are there of this function quadratic polynomial. Given quadratic polynomial is what, 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Sorry, this is 2x square. Okay, minus 7x plus 3. Okay, this is the quadratic polynomial. So we have to find the value of p square plus q square. So here what we have, first we have to find a equal to what here, 2, comparing with the quadratic polynomial, that is x square plus bx plus c. Then we get b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 3. Okay, now we have to find the value of p square plus q square. So what we have to do now, write down the formula. This is p square plus q square equal to p plus q whole square minus 2pq. Okay, this is the formula. So we have to substitute, we have to find this one, p square plus q square. For this we have to find p plus q and pq. P plus q we have to find and pq we have to find. Then we have to find, whenever we find this, we have to substitute in this. So we get the value of p square plus q square. So first now p plus q is equal to what? So we have p plus q means sum of zeros. This already is given, is p and q are the zeros of the polynomial. So sum of zeros is minus b by a. pq is c by a. First we have to find the value of this one. Minus b means what? Minus 7. A means 2. So what? Minus of minus, 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2. This is sum of zeros. And now pq means product of zeros. So c means how much? 3 by a means 2. pq is equal to 3 by 2. Now substitute this. Okay, p square plus q square is equal to p plus q whole square 7 by 2 whole square minus 2 into pq means 3 by 2. Okay, that's all. Now we get the value of this one. 7 sevens 49 by 4 minus 2 cancel 3. Okay, this one becomes 49 LCM 4 3s are 12 by 4. Okay, now what? 49 9 minus 2 7 and 4 minus 1 3 by 4. So this is the value of p square plus q square. Okay, like this we have to find, children. Okay, very easy to solve. First we have to understand what is given in question. P and q are the zeros of the polynomial and one quadratic polynomial is given. Then find the value of this one. We know the value, that is p square plus q square is p plus q whole square minus 2pq. Then what we want to find? P plus q we have to find and pq. But p plus q means sum of zeros. pq means product of zero. Then simply we have to substitute the quotients of a, b, c values in p plus q and pq. Sum and product. Then we get obtained values of p plus q and pq. Then substitute in this. Okay, we get the value of what we have to find? P square plus Q square. Therefore, the value is 37 by 4 is the value, obtained value. So like this. Next question I have already written here. This is very important question, children. So already asked in many exams. So like similar problems you will get in exams. Okay. If alpha and beta are the roots of equation is given here, and one quadratic polynomial equation is given, that is find the value of alpha minus beta. Okay, alpha minus beta we have to find. Now here what children given we have to write in the question, that is x square, given polynomial is 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, now what we have, coefficients is a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 6 here. Okay, now what is used in this problem? By using formula, which formula we are going to use in this? By using the formula, what formula? Alpha minus beta. This is also important formula, alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. We know this, a minus b is equal to plus or minus under root a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Like this formula, instead of ab we are using alpha beta. Okay, I am highlighting this in box so that you can remember this formula. Okay, which formula we are using. Now what we have to find in this alpha minus beta, we have to find the value of this one. Okay, this one. So what we need in this to find alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta and alpha beta, sum of zeros and product of zero. Now alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta, this one is c by a. Now substitute the values. Minus b means minus of minus 5. Okay, by a means how much? 1 is equal to 5. Alpha beta is easily we got 5, and alpha beta equal to c. 6 by a means 1 here, substitute 6 here. Okay, like this we obtained the values. Now alpha plus beta, alpha beta we have. Okay, substitute in this alpha minus beta. Now alpha minus beta equal to plus or minus under root alpha plus beta whole square means 5 square minus 4 into alpha beta means 6. Okay, plus or minus under root 25 minus 4 6 is 24. This implies 1 means plus or minus 1, that is plus 1 or minus 1. So alpha minus obtained value of, therefore my alpha minus beta, the value we have to find from the question is alpha minus beta, that is 1 or minus 1. So this is important session for class 10th children, polynomial chapter. Please join this video, watch complete video and like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos of any class. Okay, next question is find the value of k such that the polynomial is given here. Very important question. So if you solve this, if you learn these questions, you can't go anywhere to find the polynomials questions. Okay, very important questions I have solved here. X square plus minus k plus 6x plus 2 into 2k minus 1 as sum of its zeros equal to half to their product is given. So what we have to do in this? In this, find the value of k such that the polynomial is x square minus k plus 6x is, this one is given. So write here, given x square minus k plus 6x plus 2 into 2k minus 1 is given. Here a equal to 1 b equal to minus of k plus 6, and c equal to 2 into 2k minus 1. Okay, now what the condition is given here in question, condition is given, that is sum of its zeros equal to, sum of its zeros means, let us take alpha beta, the sum of these zeros equal to half to their product. Okay, the condition is this one, sum of its zeros is equal to half to their product, means half to their product means alpha and beta's product. So now what we have to find, alpha plus beta, alpha beta, and substitute in this condition, then we will get the value of k. So now alpha plus beta is what, children? Sum of zeros is minus b by a, and what we have to find, product is c by a. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is minus of minus k means k plus 6 by a means 1 here, that is k plus 6 is alpha plus beta we obtained. Now alpha beta equal to c by a means, c means 2 into 2k minus 1 by a means what, 1. Alpha beta equal to 4k minus 2. Okay, we obtained sum of zeros and product of zeros. Two values we obtained here. Okay, now we have to substitute these values in this given condition. We get the value of, to get the value of k. Okay, we have to find the value of k. So now alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta means k plus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 into alpha beta means 4k minus 2. Write in brackets. Okay, now what you will get, cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply this, 2k plus 12 is equal to 4k minus 2. Okay, now this becomes k values here, 2k minus this one becomes 4k minus 4k, and plus 12, this one becomes plus 2 is equal to 0. 2k minus 4k means minus 2k plus 14 is equal to 0. Now take this constant outside, it becomes minus 14, and minus minus get cancelled. K is equal to 2 ones are 2 sevens are, it will be cancelled, 2 sevens are. So k value is obtained here is 7. So therefore the value of k obtained is, obtained value of k is, obtained value of, always we have to write the result here, what we have done in the ending. Obtained value of k is 7. Okay, like this we have to write. If we have to show that is given, we have to write in the ending of the solution. Okay, that is therefore hence proved the solution, like this we have to write. Okay, this is the obtained value of k equal to 7, children. Very important question. So like this similar problems are given in your board exams, so please practice this problem, children. If you have any doubts, please comment me in comment section. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, children. Next video I will upload with some next chapter. Okay, important chapter with important question I will come with. Okay, thank you for watching.